Okay, so at this point, I have finished all my prep work. I know that the word Cassie and the picture of Elmo are at different heights, and if that really bothered me, I could input them into the next program as separate images, but it doesn't really bother me. I can just cut the sticker and make it better in post production. But at this point, I need to create a JPEG. Now, sometimes you're able to just do like a file download or a file save as. This one's not going to let me do that from Google Doc. So I'm going to use the snipping tool to create a JPEG. And to do that, I just hit a new snip. I come in. Oh, I want to make sure that my cursor is way out of the way so that I can do this. I'm going to do that one more time. The snipping tool and on your Chromebooks, you're just wanting to do a snip of exactly what you want in the sticker. I'm going to then do file save as, and you want to make sure you know where it's saving. This is going into my pictures file, and if I type I don't know, vinyl cutter Cassie, remember what you save it as and where you just saved it. Now you're going to open up a piece of software called uh, Cricut Design Space. And so I Googled Cricut Design Space and it took me here and it told me to download an app or download in my case, I'm using a Windows based machine, not a Chromebook. So it had me download the Windows version of the software. I then went to open it and it asks me to sign in. At this point, everyone is going to be using the same account. That's why it was important that you did all your prep work on your own Google Doc or your own Google Drive. The password or the username that we're going to be using is Lewis MS for Lewis Middle School .tech, and it's going to be at gmail.com. Password is with a capital C. It's coding and then 0311. Lewis Middle School's code is 311. And so coding 0311 with a capital C. LewisMiddleSchool.tech at gmail.com. And you're going to hit sign in. Now that's going to take a second. And then once it gets there, you're looking for a new project. You're going to you're going to select new project. And for some reason, it went straight into the projects. Normally, there's a little green button up here that says new project, and I click on that. But I want to upload image, and it's already there because I have practiced this before. But let's try, let's get rid of this, delete. Yes, I'm sure, because I want to show you how to do it. Upload image, browse. And I called it vinyl. There we go. Vinyl cutter Cassie, open. Now, here, there's a couple of options, and it actually helps. It says high contrast and transparent or monochrome background. And so that Storybots picture, not a problem. I just select this one, simple, and it doesn't bring that up across. If you have something really detailed, you would do complex. But in this case, simple is the best. And I hit continue, apply, and continue. I don't see, oh, background remover. It's removing the background. I do want this one here, not that. And so print, then cut image, upload. And then I select this and then hit add to Canvas. In this case, it's not Canvas, the learning management system, it's this Canvas that we're writing in right now. Now, I've got 2.5 inches of vinyl to play with. So I could sit here and move this back and forth until I got really close to 2.5 inches. Or I could just go up here. I'm going to lock the aspect ratio. That lock should be locked. And then I can just type in height 2.5, enter. And it makes it 2.5 inches tall. Now, at this point, if I was connected to a vinyl cutter, all I would have to do is hit make it, and it's going to tell me how to do it. But I'm going to do that in the next video. So in the next video, I'm going to be connected to the vinyl cutter and actually cut this sticker. So I'll see you in the next video.